Do you have fur babies? Yeah, we do too. We have lots of them, and keeping up with their nail trimming and grooming is, to say the least, it's pretty hectic. But check out this device. It's going to make a little difference for us. Okay, what we are going to do here is we're going to do a little unboxing here of a electric nail grinder for pets. And here we have just a little, oh, that's just a sales thing. And it says, must read before using. A little, oh yeah, okay, just tells you to, it's in another language, looks like German or something. And we have the manual. Pretty straightforward. Take a closer look at this before we oh, it's in another language here. Okay. I don't know if it's pronounced Yabif or Yabif or Yabif. Okay, let's see what we got. That's the charging cable. And then we have the extra grinding wheel. There's one inside the device, and you get an extra. And this is, okay, a brush for cleaning, I imagine. And it comes with a pair of clippers. You would use these to take off larger portions of the nails, I guess. A little safety latch and protector, looks like. A little protector thing there. Okay. That's it. Now, the device itself is pretty sleek looking, modern looking. Let's see here. You gotta twist off the top here. Oh, there's the charging port in the back there. Can you see that? I guess that's where you plug it in to charge it. And I'm just gonna unlatch this here. Okay, it's locked. Okay. Just a little drum in there for your little ones' nails for big and small. That's the light button. It's pretty bright. This is the power on. Oh, that's actually pretty quiet. Different speeds. Little thumb. Press it in and hold it to turn it off. Active warranty, I guess. In case you want to look at that. All right. What's that doing on your bed? You don't like that on your bed? Could be bothered, huh? Oh, well, you're being a good girl.
Kicking me.
Good girl. Yes, you were. If you are interested in getting one for yourselves and your fur babies, just check out the link in the description below or use the QR code that's on the screen.
Get your tongue out.
She's a good girl. What's that good girl?
Jerky.
Happy paws. Happy girl. Kisses. Give me kisses. Treat.